Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, not much happened today. We had a rally and an attempted new 2023 high, but it didn't do it. It failed just before the new 2023 high, so it couldn't break below above the previous one. So anyway, nothing changed really. Situation is still valid. I would like to present you, however, an alternative wave count as well that I thought about today. Not that. So let's do that. So the overall situation here is still the same, that we bottomed likely, or the price bottomed likely here in a wave 4 on the 14th of November. Yeah, the price rallied then in a wave 1 of a wave 5. Yeah, so the first wave of an ending diagonal, the wave 2 pullback. The third wave could be unfolding now, then we should get a 4 and a 5. This is still sort of what I'm watching for. However, with a deep pullback today, that I would say certainly has been, I mean, it's not really a deep pullback, but it's become more likely that the other scenario is working out, not this one, even though I'm going to focus on this one until support is broken. Yeah, and this is a support area I added to the chart earlier today for gold members, or all channel members who have access to our live charts. Yeah, silver and gold members can access our live charts. You always see if we make any changes in the charts. This support area so far has been respected, but to be honest, looks a little bit like a bear flag in there. So here, this move up is still the preferred scenario. It still would look better with another extension to the upside. The only question is, how exactly is it going to do it? Certainly, the fact that it failed today to make another high makes me think that something different might be going on. It's not necessarily more bearish. It might just delay a breakout to the upside. I have to say, though, that at the latest, with a break below the 21st November low, so basically here 35,680, we have to assume that this wave 4 will be reset lower, or that we're already in the wave 2 correction. There are a few things to highlight here on this chart. First of all, the base case is we get another extension in this wave 1 rally that we've talked about. That second point is that extension can happen in various ways. The ending diagonal is the direct bullish scenario, and the other scenario I'm going to show you in a minute. And the third point is that we're very close to a top, and that I wouldn't be surprised at all if now, or in the very, very near future, we're very close, a wave 2 pullback starts, which is a deep correction and can send the price into the green box between 27,360 and 32,580. But the main element of this video here is the detailed count, which we talked about in the first video today, and then I added a micro count for gold members earlier today. So the idea was, okay, off this 22nd of November low, we rallied in a wave 1 of C of 3, came down in a wave 2, we reversed where we needed to, and basically the assumption would be that we are now in, oh yeah, that's the micro count I added today, that we're basically now in this, we did the 1, we did the 2, we're basically now in this third wave, yeah. Then there should be a fourth and a fifth, and the idea was that within the third wave here, we have another 5 wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it basically started to correct a little bit too early. We nevertheless said, okay, we can continue to focus on that count as long as we're holding the micro support here at 37,600. That's holding so far. But if that level breaks, the yellow support area that we've been talking about in the last couple of weeks will become relevant again, which has support down there at 36,700 basically. But what I think is going to happen then, we then reset the wave 4, not lower, but probably here to the end. Yeah, we make another low, a higher low, because then all of this could be some kind of a triangle. And the triangle count would be as follows: A wave, oops, not like that, A wave down, B wave up, C wave down, and 1 second, not like that, 1 second, I showed you that one before anyway. The idea would be A, B, yeah, C, D, E, and it would be here, yeah. Or, and that's also a possibility, it's just different ways of counting this, right? That we say A, all of this is B, a complex B, a very complex B, C, D, E, and then the way forward be here. So there are various ways, you know, it's a very, very complex count. I mean, you see how complex it is. Just look at this messy price action. The thing is, all of this is really corrective, you know, most of it at least, and it would lend itself to a triangle wave count. So either way, you know, bottom line is nothing really has changed. The micro count as shared earlier today is still valid, even though I have to say that Bitcoin dipped into this support area a little bit earlier than would be ideal in this direct pathway to the upside, but it's holding support, it's respecting the FIBs. But if we break below 37,611 plus minus a few dollars, then the yellow box will be relevant again, and that I think would also be a relevant support area for the triangle count anyway. So let's see. I mean, whatever it's doing, if it breaks micro support Bitcoin, it's not bearish. It just means we might have a delay in the move to the upside. However, if we start to break below the yellow box at around 36,700 and then also break below this swing low that was made on the 21st of November, yeah, then we have to say that there's a bigger change that needs to be done. But overall, yeah, if you haven't watched any video today or haven't watched the charts today, you haven't really missed much. There was just a little bit of up and down. So let's see if we get a little bit more price action in the next few days. Tomorrow we've got core PCE data, inflation data. Maybe that will be a bit of a catalyst to get things moving. That's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.